Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, I'm back. So today is day 3 of solving problems in CodeChef. I can't believe we made it to day 3. So this is the home page. Let's go to the practice section. Before going, I want to show that my streak didn't count for today. That means I didn't touch any problem. I am solving it live. Okay, yesterday we attempted one problem and that was correct. So today we're going to attempt the next unattempted problem. Tax in Chefland. Okay, tax in Chefland. In Chefland, a tax of rupees 10 is deducted if the total income is strictly greater than rupees 100. Given the total income is X rupees, find out how much money you get. Okay, we have input method. We have to first declare a variable called t that will denote the number of test cases. And we have to declare another number which will represent the number of money you have. Okay, let's look at the samples. Sample 1, 4. First one is the test case number. So the input thing will run for 4 times. So first integer is 5. And its answer is also 5. If you look at the question, it says the income should be strictly greater than 100 rupees. So 5 is not strictly greater than 100 rupees. So we will not deduct anything. Okay, let's first we have to declare a variable called t to denote the number of test cases. Integer input. So inputs are usually in Python. Inputs are initially in string, but for converting it to integer, we can now use it for calculating purposes. Okay, it will run for the t's value. So the t's value in sample 1 was 4. So the whole processing and everything will run for 4 times. Okay. Then we have to denote another, declare another variable called x. So declare that x equals to integer input. Okay, now what we now our current code can take this case and run. At least it can take input for as much as the test case value. Okay, but we don't want that. We want our problem to be correct, our solution to be correct. So if it says greater than 100, now you might ask, why didn't I use greater than or equal to? Because it says strictly greater than, not greater than or equal to, so we have to follow that rule. And print x minus 10. Since 10 rupees deduct for any number strictly above 100, so 10 rupees would be deducted as tax. And if not, else print print is wrong, print spelling is wrong. Print x only. As we can see, our first input for sample 1 after the test case value was 5. Since 5 is not even greater than 100 and strictly greater is another thing, so 5, we have shown 5 only. So no tax. That means no tax will be applied. If the input number and output number are same, so no tax would be applied. But if we look at the second input, that is 105. So 105 is strictly greater than 100, so it follows the condition. So we are just going to deduct 10. So 105 minus 10 is 95. Okay, let's run it. O for O. I made that mistake again. So you have to write anything in this box for I in range, for A in range, or anything. Anything that matches its rule, that doesn't cause a error. So yeah, let's check our output against the input. So our output is 5. Yeah, it matches. 95 matches. 91 matches to 100. So we can hope after I click the submit button, we have a high probability of having a correct answer. Yes. So we got our problem solution correct. I hope you found this video helpful and we made it to day 3. So bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.